Hey there, coffee enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Nespresso machines to help you find the perfect one for your home. Whether you are a casual coffee drinker or a true espresso aficionado, we have got you covered with a list of the 7 best Nespresso machines. We'll explore the features, benefits, and why they are worth your investment. So grab a cup of your favorite brew, sit back and let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Nespresso VertuoPlus coffee machine in grey. This machine is a marvel of modern design and technology. Its sleek, modern appearance is sure to complement any kitchen decor. The VertuoPlus doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well too. The VertuoPlus uses an Nespresso's unique centrifugation technology to brew coffee and espresso with a rich crema, enhancing the flavor and texture of your coffee. This machine can read the barcode on each capsule to automatically adjust brewing parameters, ensuring a perfect cup every time. Durability is another strong suit of the VertuoPlus. Constructed with high-quality materials, it promises a long-lasting and reliable performance. The machine is also incredibly user-friendly with a simple one-button operation and an adjustable water tank that can swivel out to fit your counter space perfectly. Moreover, it offers a range of cup sizes from espresso to large coffee mugs, catering to your varying coffee preferences. With its quick heat-up time, you can go from craving to sleeping in no time. The Nespresso VertuoPlus coffee machine grade truly sets the bar high for at-home coffee brewing. Moving on to the next, number 2 with Nespresso Vertuo coffee machine in black. This model shares many of the advanced features of the VertuoPlus but in a more compact design, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or spaces. The Vertuo also utilizes the centrifugation technology, which spins the capsule up to 7,000 rotations per minute, blending ground coffee with water and producing the perfect crema to top your coffee. This machine reads the barcode on each capsule to customize the brewing process, ensuring each cup is brewed to perfection. In terms of design, the Nespresso Vertuo in black is both stylish and steady. Its compact size doesn't compromise its quality or functionality. The machine offers versatility with 5 different cup sizes, allowing you to enjoy everything from a quick espresso shot to a full 14-ounce coffee. Usability is another highlight. The Vertuo features a simple one-touch brewing system and a fast heat-up time, meaning you won't be waiting long for your morning brew. Additionally, its large water tank and capsule container makes it easy to brew multiple cups before needing a refill or emptying. Coming in at number 3 is the Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee Maker in white. This product is a sleek and eco-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Its compact design makes it a perfect fit for any kitchen, and its minimalist aesthetic is sure to appeal to those who value both form and function. This machine features Nespresso's innovative centrifugation technology, ensuring you get a perfect cup of coffee or espresso every time. The Vertuo Next reads the barcode on each capsule and adjusts the brewing parameters accordingly, guaranteeing consistency and quality with each brew. Durability is a key feature of the Vertuo Next. Made with 54% recycled materials, this machine is not only good for your coffee but also for the planet. It offers a range of cup sizes and is compatible with a variety of Nespresso Vertuo capsules, giving you the flexibility to enjoy different coffee styles. The Vertuo Next is incredibly user-friendly with a one-button operation and fast heat-up time. Its Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity ensures your machine is always up to date, offering a seamless and modern coffee-making experience. Next at number 4, we have Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine in piano black. This product is an excellent choice. This compact machine is designed for simplicity and performance, delivering a perfect espresso shot every time. The Essenza Mini's minimalist design makes it a great fit for any kitchen, no matter the size. Despite its small footprint, it packs a punch in terms of performance. The machine heats up in just 25 seconds, so you can enjoy your espresso without the wait. Quality is at the forefront of the Essenza Mini's design. It uses a high-pressure pump to extract every bit of flavor from the coffee grounds, producing rich and aromatic espresso shots. The machine also features 2 programmable cup sizes, allowing you to choose between an espresso and a lungo. Usability is another strong point for the Essenza Mini. Its straightforward interface and easy-to-clean components make it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen. Despite its compact size, it's built to last, offering durability and reliability in a sleek package. The number 5 position is held by Nespresso CitiZ coffee machine with milk frother in black. This product combines classic design with modern functionality, making it a versatile choice for coffee and milk-based beverages lovers. Its retro modern look is sure to add a touch of style to any kitchen. The CitiZ features a powerful pump that ensures optimal pressure for extracting coffee, delivering a rich and full-bodied espresso. Its integrated milk frother allows you to create barista-quality lattes and cappuccinos at home, making it a perfect choice for those who enjoy milk-based drinks. Durability and quality are hallmarks of the CitiZ. Made with robust materials, this machine is designed to last. It also boasts a quick heat-up time of just 25 seconds, so you can enjoy your coffee without any delays. Usability is a key feature of the CitiZ. It offers programmable buttons for espresso and lungo sizes, ensuring you get the perfect amount every time. The large water tank and used capsule container make it convenient for multiple uses before needing a refill or emptying. The number 6 position is dominated by Nespresso Gran Lattissima Espresso Machine with milk frother in black. This product is the ultimate choice for those who love a variety of coffee drinks. Its advanced features and elegant design make it a standout in the Nespresso lineup. This machine is equipped with a high-pressure pump and rapid heat-up system, ensuring that you get your coffee quickly and with optimal flavor extraction. The integrated milk frother allows you to create a wide range of beverages from creamy lattes to frothy cappuccinos. Quality and durability are top priorities for the Gran Lattissima. Constructed with high-quality materials, it promises reliable performance over time. The machine's sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Usability is the highlight of the Gran Lattissima. It features intuitive touch controls for selecting your favorite drinks and a large water tank for brewing multiple cups. The milk frother is easy to clean, making it simple to maintain the machine and ensures a fresh taste every time. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Nespresso Lattissima Pro Espresso Machine with milk frother in silver. This machine offers a premium coffee experience with its advanced technology and elegant design. The Lattissima Pro features a high-pressure pump and fast heat-up system, ensuring that your coffee is brewed to perfection quickly. The integrated milk frother allows you to create a wide range of milk-based beverages with ease, from lattes to macchiatos. Durability and quality are evident in the Lattissima Pro's construction. Made with premium materials, it promises long-lasting performance and reliability. Its sleek silver finish adds a touch of luxury to any kitchen. Usability is another strength of the Lattissima Pro. It offers a touchscreen interface for easy selection of your favorite drinks and a large water tank for brewing multiple cups. The milk frother is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that you always enjoy fresh and delicious coffee. And there you have it, coffee enthusiasts. 7 of the best Nespresso machines to take your coffee game to the next level. Whether you prefer a quick espresso or a creamy latte, there's an Nespresso machine for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!